Hey everybody, good morning and welcome to the stream. So I'm just gonna set up my TikTok and then we'll get into it. Cool. So everybody should be able to see me on the live stream. Okay, awesome. So what today's stream is gonna be about is starting to integrate Google Calendar with Stripe. So I've been looking at a few options. So obviously there's Calendly to integrate, so free online appointments. The only thing is this has a price, so but it's got a nice UI. I was looking at Go High Level as well, so calendar. Hey everybody from TikTok. So Go High Level calendar and appointments. Something to look at here, but this is $100 per month. This one here is, there's a free option, there's a standard option. See which ones have, okay, so you got to pay for the $12 per month to integrate with Stripe. But then I've gone ahead and found, actually we've got Google Calendar. So Google Calendar has an option where we can go and integrate Stripe into our Google Calendar. So today, that's what we're going to explore. Okay, so if I connect Google Calendar, I just got to find out how to do it. So we go here, General Appointment Schedules. So Settings, Appointment Schedules. So it says, click on the settings menu. Hi Coron, hi Waz, and hi Luke. So on your computer, click on the settings, done. On the left, go general, nice. And then look for appointment schedules. So I don't see any appointment schedules. Unless we don't have it enabled. So do I need to upgrade my where's the Stripe? Except, so I will need a business standard, which I've got. Hey guys, thanks for joining. So I've got a business standard. Cool, so I want to accept payments for appointments. Hey Joel, how you doing? Thanks for joining, guys. How is everybody this morning? Business starter plan. So I've got that. Now, how do I go and connect it? If anybody's had any experience with integrating Stripe into Google Calendar, I would love to hear how to do it. So I feel like every time I stream, essentially it's you guys watching me struggle. So choose it. Manage workspace smart features. Nope, I don't want that. So what we might have to do, guys, is go ahead and use the old YouTube. Connect Stripe to Google Calendar. So, hey, it's me. Okay, what I'm trying to do is set up paid booking links in Calendar with Stripe. Let's hope Biz Strugar can help us. Cool, so business standard, this is exactly what I'm looking for. So it looks like I need business standard. So I've got to firstly make sure that my account, I have those licenses. Because eventually what I want to do is I want to have my calendar where people can book meetings with me, and I can help them either learn AI or do some problem solving with them. So, upgrade. And has everyone got their coffees for this morning? Because I sure did. Hey everyone, thanks for joining on TikTok. So I've got Business Starter. Okay, so I've got the wrong version, that's why. So I need to upgrade to Business Standard. Okay, so how do I upgrade? So, hey Chris, how you doing? So I think with my MailerLite subscription, I actually get a coupon code. So I just got to figure out how to do that. So I get 15% off. Hey, thanks for liking, guys. Ethan, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Cool. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to upgrade to Business Standard, and then I'm going to apply the 15% coupon code that I get from MailerLite, and then I can integrate my Stripe to Google Calendar, and it should all work. It's a long-winded way of doing it. The other option was looking at Calendly. So what I need to do right now is do a price comparison. So for this one, for $10 a month, which is essentially what I would be paying for, I can get unlimited event types, multiple calendars, Stripe, Zapier, meeting reminders, so polls. I don't need any of this stuff. Calendly, Pardot, sync data. Whereas if I get the business standard features, hey, Diet Mode, thanks for joining me on YouTube. And thanks for subscribing here. I hope you're doing well. Awesome to have you here, Diet Mode. Alrighty. So what we are looking at is we're actually doing a little product comparison now. So, and this would probably be helpful for a lot of people as well. So with our Business Standard, and the thing that I hate about all of these products is they actually just make it so complicated to understand what you're actually getting. So I get Google Videos, Discovery, Sites, Note Keeping, Collab, Notebook LM, Unlimited e-signatures, Gemini. Cool. Let's just do that. And how are you doing today, Diet? Sorry guys, I'm just waiting for this coupon code to come through. Cool. How's everybody doing today? especially on TikTok. I can see there's a lot of people there. Okay, so let's look at the features. So with business standard. Diet mode says, I'm good. That's good to hear, mate. How's your journey with n8n going? Have you been learning a lot? Have you been getting better at it? And so what we've got here, and guys, who actually uses n8n in the chat? So take notes, business standard. Here we go. So I've got transcriptions, Google Docs. Cool. So with the business standard, it looks like you get a lot of the AI features. So why not? Gemini, general access, video generation. Cool. I'll get 2 terabytes. Cool. So let's go and look at it. So what the workflow? Hey, it's Fetso, baby. How you doing, Fetso? So the difference between Calendly and me paying for the business standard is I'm going to get a lot more of the AI features. So I get Notebook LLM. And if you guys don't know what Notebook LLM is, it's a pretty cool tool where you just upload a lot of your documents into this one workspace, and then you have a chat GPT interface and you just ask a bunch of questions. So think about if you had a 300-page how-to guide on using Salesforce, for example, and I want to ask one little question about how do I configure a security setting for this user, you can find that one piece of information from that 300-page document using Notebook LM to actually action it. So I'm still waiting for this coupon code, which is really annoying. I bet you it's gonna, hey, do you remember the face-off? Followed live. Thanks for following. And thank you, Fetso, for the live rose. So do you remember the face-off? Are you a UFC fan? Because that's a very specific username you've got. Here we go. I've got the coupon code, guys. Alrighty. So if I apply that there, cool. Hey, thanks for liking, guys. Appreciate it. All right, guys, I've upgraded my Google Google account now to business standard. Cool. So what I think that means now is if I go into this little guide that I had before, wherever it went, I'm hoping that now I can add Stripe to it. And it might take a little bit, hey. Hey, Stephen. Hey, Emilio. Thank you for liking, guys. Appreciate it. All right, so Google Calendar Stripe integration. So let's go and connect our calendar. So we've got it now, guys. This is what I was looking for. So if I connect my Stripe account, this is probably going to ask me to redirect. Hopefully I don't share anything. Hopefully you guys, I might have to do it this way. How is everybody doing this morning as well? So, just make sure that I can remember my password. Awesome, got it. Save that. So guys, the mission for this morning is almost done. what I wanted to do was integrate my Google Calendar with Stripe so that I can start taking appointments. And we're almost there. So, hey, Justin Tuffer, isn't that a UFC fighter? Kill. I'm just doing a bunch of things off stream. How's everyone doing today, by the way, guys? Thank you for the likes, guys. What is going on here? Am I signing up for a new account or what? I'm very confused on the side, guys. Sorry about the boring stream, but this is what we do. Kill. Hey Ado, thanks for liking the stream and appreciate everyone who is staying here to just chill out, I suppose. It's kind of one of those streams. Yeah, so how's everyone doing? What has everybody been working on just in their day-to-day lives? Cool. Hey Avlock, how you doing? I don't know why I'm re-signing up from this. It's kind of confusing to me. What is going on? So on the side, guys, I'm pretty much just setting up something. It's really weird. So doing good here. Do you remember the face-off says doing good here in Amsterdam, working on a mileage registration app for Dutch users. So that's interesting, man. A mileage registration app. What is that? What problem is that solving? What is going on here? Sorry guys, I'm just trying to figure this out on the side. Cool. A mileage registration app. Let me just check about that. Amsterdam. Oh, so you got to track your CO2 emissions. So is this to help the environment zero emission scheme, I suppose? So do you remember the face-off says, as a business car driver, we need to register the miles. Do you get credits back based upon, or do you get taxed based upon your mileage? Is that how it works? And how do you ensure that you're tracking correctly? I think there's a device, right? Track your mileage on your car. Oh, you get taxed monthly. So you get taxed based upon how far you drive. So you don't have like a fixed registration fee each year. You actually pay per use of your car. Wow. That's crazy. Huh. So just gotta make sure that on the offside, I don't reveal anything too fancy. So do you remember the face-off says, no, it's fixed on the price of the car. The expensive it is, the more we pay. So Amsterdam. We deduct a profit from the So between 300 to 1,200 euros a month in some cases. That's a lot. So you could literally pay $10,000 in mileage tax. That's crazy. So just to ride the car privately. Wow. So do many people have cars, or do they all ride bicycles in Amsterdam? I suppose that everyone rides their bicycle if they can, if it's close, right? But does it work? Is it different if it's petrol versus EV, so electrical vehicles? Do you get a discount if you drive EV? Um, so that's pretty cool, man. Like the way that you are. Yes, but the discount is getting less every year. So what percentage of people do you reckon drive electrical vehicles versus like petrol vehicles? Has the uptake been increasing a lot? So I'm just entering some accounts on the side. So now it's paying off to keep the mileage registered. Not much, I think. Ah, right. So have you published your mileage app yet? Man, you've got to when you publish it, you've got to show everyone, okay? So I'm just trying to figure out whatever, that's fine. So you're working on the calendar connections. What's your tech stack for your app? See, that's the thing, man. Like, what I think I probably need to spend a bit of time on is learning how to code front ends and back ends. Like, if I decided to release an app, I can do integrations and all the orchestration using n8n. But really, what I've kind of realized is you need a really, really good user experience. And that's the thing that I hate the most is building the front ends. Cool. Why not? For now, I'm using JavaScript-based front ends like React.io. What the hell is this? And what do you use for the backend? And where do you host your app? Where are you going to host your app? Cool. So, and lots of ChatGPT web app. Yeah, man. Have you been trying with the newest ChatGPT 5.1? It's actually pretty decent. Um, but I haven't actually tried out it for coding when I was using Cursor and all that. Not yet. And did you see that Gemini 3.1 got released as well? So I'm going to check out that and see if it works. Okay, guys, so back to what I was trying to do. So I've connected my Stripe to Google Calendar now. Who knows if it's going to work or not? So as the event organizer, it's your responsibility to carry out your cancellation and refund policies. In Google Calendar, create and edit an appointment schedule. Not even Cursor. Wait, so you don't even use Cursor, or you do use Cursor? All right, so let's pretend that on Mondays, I'm available from 7 to 9. We can do 6 to 9. Cool, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Oops. This is pretty cool. I'll do from 7 to 12. Oops. And we'll do 7 to 12. So what are you working on? I just joined. I'm just working on setting up Stripe payments for my Google Calendar. The whole idea will be people can book my time and we can either build something together in n8n, or I can solve a problem for them, some sort of business problem. So for example, what I've noticed is a lot of small businesses are doing a lot of manual tasks, whether it's manually processing their invoices, you can completely automate that, or even like generating proposals, manually typing customer support emails. So there's a lot of manual tasks that small businesses are working on right now. And if anybody wants me to help solve their problem, I'm just going to open up my calendar. Right now, I'm thinking I'll do like a $1 fee. So you can book an hour of my time for $1, and I'll just try and help people out. Yeah, so that's what I'm kind of just setting up right now. So let's just do 7 to whatever. Cool. So once we do that, available now, start end dates, maximum time this can be 7. It must be a day before. We'll do 14. Buffed appointments, calendars, next. Got it. Message. So people enter their first name, last name, email address, plus a message of what they want help with. Don't really care about that. Require payment. Let's do $1. And I'll do Australian, I suppose. Write me a cancellation policy. we are going to use ChatGPT. I am setting up a Google Calendar appointment and people are required to pay $1. Can you write me a cancellation fee? So how did you start? Do you remember? Did you just do you code? Are you a developer by trade? Cool. Booking confirmations, email reminder, custom 1 day before. We'll save 1 hour before. Cool. Automation consult. So we'll have a AI automation consultation meeting and it will last for 1 hour, I suppose. So each thing is 1 hour, or maybe I should make it half an hour. I think in half an hour, we could probably scope out their entire problem and come up with action items. Yeah, we'll do half an hour. And we'll meet by Google Meets. Add a description for the AI. Hey everyone, thanks for joining on TikTok. Talk about n8n. Write a CT. So, cool. So, ready to stop guessing and finally build an AI automation that actually works. In this session, I'll take your ideas, systems, or messy processes and turn them into a clear, actionable n8n automation blueprint. Cool. So, do you remember says, not a developer trying to spend less on tax. So you're trying to, so this is actually to solve your problem, right? That's awesome. So we'll call this AI plus n8n. Cool. Come up with a name for the meeting. So ready to stop guessing and finally build AI automations that actually work? Or do you want or learn n8n from someone that uses it every day? Cool. In this session, I'll take your ideas, systems, or messy processes and turn them into clear, actionable n8n automation blueprints. Whether you're a business wanting to save hours, automate workflows, and replace manual tasks, or an individual wanting to learn n8n from scratch, this I'll adapt to your level. Hey, thanks for the like, guys. Thank you, Daisy, for liking the stream. I hope you're enjoying. So do you remember the face-off says, first it solved my problem, now I'm working on a version to share as a web app. So how do you, my main question is, how do you manage your user authentication as well as payments? That's the one thing that I've always struggled with. Like, I know we can use, I think it was Superbase to automate a lot of that with Vercel, but I actually haven't looked into it too much. Cool. So let me come up with a better name. Cool. So I just call it Chris's. What do you guys think? Should I call this Chris's n8n automation strategy session or Chris's n8n AI automation consult? What do you guys prefer? I wish I could do a poll. Which one do you guys prefer? Strategy session, automation, blueprint. Whatever, that's fine. I'm gonna go with this. Cool, and let's go and just save that. Make this simpler and add bullet points. Hey, thanks for liking the stream, guys. So in this session, that's fine. Cool, guys. So you can technically now book meetings with me on my calendar, and we'll spend, half an hour just understanding what you want to achieve, whether you're trying to learn n8n from scratch, or if you have some sort of business problem that you want to automate. So I don't know, if you want to increase your lead generation skills, if you want to do, I don't know, customer service integrations with RAGs so that you can automate your whole customer support. Yeah, so how do I share this? Here you guys go. So here's the link. Anyone wants to book a meeting? I can't even share it. I'll add the link on my TikTok. So if you guys want to go ahead and book me, just let me update that now. One sec, I hope I don't stuff this up. Edit profile. Cool. Edit profile. I don't know how to do this. Hey, Spot Sydney. Hey, everyone. Thanks for joining. Well, I have no idea. So maybe I'll just use a bit.ly. A bit.ly link, I suppose. I'm just going to create a bit.ly thing and then it will work. So bit.ly, sign up free, whatever. Hey guys, thanks for joining. Cool. Let me just get the So I think the best way to do it is just to jump on to the meeting. And guys, if you're enjoying the stream, please don't forget to follow. it really helps. If you want to jump onto YouTube as well, I'm trying to grow my YouTube audience, but I would really appreciate it if you were able to subscribe there. So cool, Chris. Cool. Do I want to track? Hey guys, thanks for joining. All right, so that is the link, guys. I just need to figure out how I'm going to add that to my TikTok, YouTubes, and all that stuff. But so I think we're done, guys. I'll add the bit.ly link to my TikTok profile after this. You can go ahead and book your time. If you have any problems that you want to solve, we can jump on to a meeting call and go ahead and look into it in detail. Even if you're just learning n8n, yeah, feel free to chat with me. So guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to follow. Thank you for joining. Hope you had a good time and have a fantastic day.